Good morning, world. It's 4:20 in the morning. My cat has me awake. I'm tired as fuck for some reason today. She looks so cute though with her little haircut, all washed up. I think I did an alright job. It looks a little choppy, but she don't look all dirty and torn up. You're so pretty. I love you. I love you. I love you. That's my girl. I just gave her some medicine. She was looking a little rough, looking a little tired and weak. She's getting there, man. She's, like you can tell, you can see her face now. It's not all nasty and stuff. She's getting bigger. Her fur is all soft now and puffy. I gotta get up. I don't want to get up. I stood up and I sat right back down. My fucking knee is banging like a bitch. I got 5 screws in that motherfucker, man. When I walk on it, sometimes it hurts. Today's one of those days. It's always in the morning too, man. I must have slept on it wrong or something. I have been hard though on my body. Doing this yoga, doing all the stretching fucking hurts. That shit ain't easy. Which we're about to do. We're gonna hang out with the cat and do. Last night, by the time I uploaded the video, I was so fucking tired, dude. I was crashing. I was. It was already 10 o'clock by the time I fucking uploaded the video. And the cat, after I gave her a bath, she woke up and wouldn't leave me alone, dude. She kept on attacking my feet while I was trying to do computer stuff. She would not stop, non-stop. This is what she's doing now. So she's staring at me. She kept on jumping. She would hide, see? She kept on doing that and attacking my feet. She wanted to play. So I stopped the computer stuff and played with her because, I was just giving her, God just gave her to me, I'm not going to neglect her. She needs attention. That's the only way I'm going to be able to get this cat to do tricks and follow me is if we have a good relationship. So, dude, she goes ham, bro. Watch. Look at her. She goes crazy, bro. She bites hard as fuck now. Like, it's funny how she she straight up goes nuts. Princess never did this. This cat that I've never seen this before. Like, Princess never did this. She'll straight up wrap both of her paws around me, see? She'll wrap both of her paws around me, hang upside down, fucking bite the shit out of me. That's what she does. She loves it. She likes to fight. That's what I do. I fight with her. I do this and shit. She likes it. She don't yelp. She don't do nothing. She just straight up. I don't know. Maybe it's because she's teething. She's growing, so fast. She was behind. She's just now getting the size as the other cats that passed away. There was 2 cats that were her size. The size she is now, I had 2 cats that passed away, man. Fucking, I had to give them CPR. They wouldn't make it, dude. The chest, they had too much fluid built up in their chest. When I chased them down, they wouldn't even run. They got not even a foot, and they stopped because they were wheezing. They had no energy. They almost collapsed. They just laid there and gave up. It was sad. It was sad to see. She was in the litter she was with the litter. She was the biggest one out of, she was with the babies. She was a baby. She was a baby. There was 4 little babies. There was a dead one. And then there was her. All of the ones in the litter. No, there was 2. It was actually no, there was two big ones. There was two big ones. Then there was four babies, and then there was the dead one when I lifted up the house. She's the only one out of all those cats that survived, other than the one that the kid picked up supposedly and got shots and stuff. There is there is one more that I let back out because there was two that I let out. I brought them in the house out of the whole litter, but they stayed with mom. Mom let them stay on the nipple, even though they had infected eyes. Um, Mom let them stay on the nipple. Their eyes were open. They were really bad. Um, they were causing problems for me trying to help the other cats. So, because they were already too big, and mom already, trained them. So, be nice. Be nice. See, she does this non-stop. She wants to wrestle, play. So I got her hair around her neck. It was bothering me. It was like it was coming out too far. It was getting nasty and like full of food from her. Because she would eat, and then all of her beard would basically just sit in the food and it'd get all crusty and stinky. And it'd turn brown. That's why I cut it. Now she can eat and her fucking hair won't be all in the cat food. She's starting to not put her paws in the cat food, which I'm happy with that. She's not doing it. She's growing out of it. She's doing real good. She's just a little rough today. See, I was feeling a little rough this morning, Dad, but I'm okay. The medication kicked in, you can tell. Every time I give her that medication, she goes fucking nuts. I already went out there and gave her some food. Turned on the kitchen light, gave her some food, turned it off, came in here. She ate it quick. She came inside. As soon as I turned on the camera, she was climbing up the bed. I love you, Mentora. She's doing so good. You can actually see her teeth now. They're so tiny. And it's funny because she can't breathe through her nose. She's got, sinus problems right now so bad. Like, it's really bad. So she breathes through her mouth. Her mouth is always open. It's cute. It's sad. That's why, like, I worry about playing with her sometimes, She'd be running around, wheezing and shit. Oh, what, baby? Oh, I love you. I love you. You're a good girl. That's a good girl. She's so pretty. See, her nose is already starting to gunk up a little bit. It's starting to drain. That's why I gave her the medication. She's almost there, man. Say, I'm almost there, Daddy. What? What? She's so pretty. I'm happy she can see. She don't have no eye problems. And that eye is finally healed. It's not squinting anymore. It's because I've been keeping bacitracin on it for fucking 2 weeks. And we're the second weekend, Bibba. Yeah. Say we're the second weekend, Dad. She's looking so good. Say I'm looking good, Daddy. I love you. She's my little poof ball. What? I know, baby. I know, baby. No. Meow. 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 She likes to jump at the face. She tries to jump at my face because if she gives me kisses, she thinks it's okay to, leap at me. Give kiss? Kisses? Kisses? Yeah, kisses? Kisses? That's how you do it. That's how you teach them. What? Give kiss? Kiss? I love you. I love you. Say I know, daddy. What? You gotta stop that. Dude, if you seen her face right now. She gets so mad when I do that. I'm not very comfortable, you know that, right? I'm gonna have to move, kitty. What are you doing, weirdo? There you go. You ain't got an itch. What is it? It's on your foot. What the fuck? What the hell's on your foot, man? That's why I cut her hair, man. She's got such long hair, everything sticks to it. Probably fucking kitty litter or something. Poop. What are you doing, girl? What are you doing, huh? Get up. Alright, you think you can attack me? Yeah. She's teething bad. That's all she wants to do is bite. I didn't even hurt you. I didn't hurt you. You just don't like being picked up like that. Wipe out. Get it. Get it. He's such a drama queen. He's so dramatic. She'll done pretty good. You can hear her wheezing. Hey, it's my jacket. She likes when I do this. I don't know why. She goes crazy. It cracks me up. You can hear her wheezing. Get it. Get it. Get it. Get it, girl. Get it, girl. Get it, girl. Well, I'm about to smoke. I saved that bud. I'm gonna get up, get some food. My stomach's growling. I need to eat. Where's my damn thing? I need light. Or not. I don't want the club light. There we go. Yeah, I saved that bud for this morning. That's another reason why I hung out with the cat. I knew I was gonna want it when I wake up. I'm about to wake up, eat some cereal, make some coffee, make some lemonade, and figure out what's going on in the morning, do some computer stuff, read the Bible. So I'll see you guys very soon. Hopefully y'all slept well. I know I didn't. I was having crazy ass dreams. That's kind of why I woke up having nightmares again. So yeah, I don't know. Y'all take care.